Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the
YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader Effects back with another video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. If you're not going to work today, I hope you're at home warm watching my videos. You got time now to watch my videos. Plug, right? If you are new to my channel, please hit that like button. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe as well. Also, guys, if you are part of the Vote Army, hit that like button for me, man. For real. Show some love. Show me who's part of that Vote Army, man. And guys, I think we got a pump coming. A mini little pump, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, a nice little pump might be coming, okay, guys? We're on the 12-hour chart for Vote, and we closed off very bullish. Okay, nice little candle there. Okay, like I said, we've been here for a few days now at this level, and we haven't seemed to break. We haven't seemed to break it, right? And we're in a pennant flag. So I feel that we're gonna keep pushing up, and we're gonna break out of this pennant, and if all but nothing else, we will end up between 1048 and 1078. Okay, let me see, 1078. Yeah, might as well say 1080, right? If we do continue to push up past that, which, to be honest, I feel like if we get up here, we're gonna end up consolidating. And if we do break out of this consolidation, it will probably be, if we do consolidate and we break out of the consolidation and continue up, I believe it'll be more towards Monday, Tuesday, around there. I don't see us really moving much this weekend due to Christmas. And by the way, guys, for those of you who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I hope everyone enjoys themselves. And yeah, guys. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, I just hope you have a great weekend. You know what I mean? If you are celebrating Christmas, hit that like button for me, man. Get in the Christmas spirit. You know what I mean? Give back a little bit. You know what I mean? It's free. You know what I mean? Yeah, guys. And so, if we do end up pumping up here and we move out of here after consolidation, we probably will end up heading up to 1242, guys. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way the chart's looking, guys. I'm pretty confident that we're now. This is not financial advice. I am no way saying that we're gonna pump for sure. I'm saying if we break out of this pennant to the top side, we most likely will pump up a bit. It's gonna be a mini pump, but yeah, and that's just my opinion. There could be other type of technical analysis that someone else might think, but for me, I personally believe that we're pumping up a bit because we haven't even been able to break this. Now let's go and take a look at Ethereum, guys. So if we can see here, right, we're on the daily chart, right? Look at this. Price closed yesterday with a pin bar at the 618 zone, okay? Now, for those of you who don't understand that, this rejection is good. This candle right here, and the way it just rejected this and gave us this long little wick, and how this closed very bullish 2 days ago, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Meaning, and we broke out the pennant. If we come down in a lower time frame, we can see this a little bit better. We had a little fake out. We came down, retested previous support that we pushed out of here. We consolidated, right, guys? And it seems like price wants to keep on heading up. We had this rejection here, of course, right? We came back, retested out of this pennant, and that's where we're at right now. Looks like we're rejecting the 8 EMA. We do have a moving average crossover. All these are signs, confluences, confirmation that we are possibly headed to have a little pump over the weekend. Okay, I'm pretty excited. I'm hyped. I'm stoked. I'm starting to see profits already in my wallet from the dollar cost averaging that I've been doing. And yeah, guys, maybe it's a Christmas present for all of us, huh? Vote Santa, Santa vote, however you want to say it. You can come bless us a little bit. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at the crypto market. We are at $812 billion market cap, a 0.01% decrease for the day. Bitcoin is 16,855. We are up 0.01% for the 24 hours on Bitcoin. Ethereum's at 1220, 0.21%, up 0.24% for the day. All right, guys, we got Dogecoin at 0.078. It looks like it's pumping up. Dogecoin is up 5% for the 24 hours, guys. Cardano is up as well, 26 cents. Matic finally passed 79 cents, is at 80 cents now, guys. Okay. If we can look at Shiba, Shiba seems to be in the same range. All right. Solana actually is down, and Chronos is at 0.058. Okay, guys. So all in all, it seems like Ethereum and Bitcoin are starting to pump up a bit, and Dogecoin is actually looks like it's the only one doing the most mini pump that's going on, guys. So I'm excited to see what this weekend will bring. I hope everyone is safe this weekend. Okay, guys, let's take a look at Twitter real quick, guys. Okay, Vault Inu page, guys, check it out. I will display the link. The link should be in the description, guys. Okay. Let's see. Nothing really new here, not that I can see. Why don't you hit me up in the comments real quick, man, and tell me what y'all got going on for Christmas, y'all. Let me know if you already received your gifts and what you got, man. If you ended up buying anybody some Vote for Christmas, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, we really don't have much news, seems like, going on here. We got probably nothing. Oh shoot. Okay, hold on, guys, you guys are seeing this with me. We got, check out which NFTs have the most social mentions over the past 24 hours. And it looks like Vote Inu NFTs are number one in the lead right now. That's insane. So that's pretty dope. Big things. Let me retweet that, like that. Guys, I like to say this in all my videos. If you are part of the Vote Army, man, make sure you guys are active at the Twitter page, man. Good things come out of that, you know what I mean? So let me go ahead and retweet this. Good morning. Let Watoshi know we watching. Let's see right here. 8 hours ago. As always, the fundamentals for Vote are top dog. Celebrate 1 year of high voltage. Voltage change, man. Guys, let me go ahead and let you know, if you are new, okay, you can use voltage change to buy Vote and other tokens under the ERC and BNB side, right? Not only that, you actually are helping burn supply. So if you use voltage change, you will help burn supply. Not just for Vote, but for coins like Shiba and all these other coins, right? It's like Uniswap. It's like using PancakeSwap, except it's voltage change, okay? We want to go ahead and promote voltage change as best as we can. We need to let the world know that voltage change exists and that it will be beneficial to everybody if we use voltage change, okay? You burn supply, man. What better than that? All right, guys? Guys, Pablo Crow, check him out. Tap in. He's got a live coming up tonight at 9 p.m. Okay, guys? You know, could be nothing, could be something. We don't know. You know what I mean? He might have a little something special for us. We just never know. So you guys want to go ahead and tap in. please hit that notification on so you know when he goes live. And check him out. And also check out his other videos, man. He's got a lot of stuff on here that has to do with Volt. Okay, guys? And show him some love. Like, subscribe. If you don't know about Pablo, you most likely know about him before you know about me. You definitely have probably hit his channel up before you've hit mine. But for those who are new, and for those who don't know about Volt or are new to Volt, check out Pablo Crow, and you guys can't go wrong, okay? So yeah, guys, listen, I hope everyone has a great Christmas. This is all I got for you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put out any videos this weekend unless something nice happens for Volt. And I do put content out for day trading, for forex trading. If you guys are wanting to learn how to read charts, I got videos, or you can hit one of these links below, and one of these videos somewhere around here, guys. Okay, and check me out, man. And if you enjoyed this video, if you could please hit that like button for me, please subscribe if you're not subscribed. And stay up to date. Hit that bell notification and know when I put out a video. Please be safe. Don't get too messed up. Stay volted. Alright. Peace.
Fill up your bags, back up the truck, back up the boat. I got me some Volt. It's time to go. It's time to take this boat around the globe. It's time to get